Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know how you doing. Leave it down in the comments. I want to know. So I've got another unboxing. I'm trying to play catch up. I know. And this is another subscription from GlowAddict. And this is my first month getting it, so technically it's new to my channel. And if you don't know, GlowAddict does have 4 different subscriptions. They've got a $13.99 beauty bag, which is what I've got today. And they also have their beauty box, which is $18.99, which comes like this. They've got a skincare box, which is $24.99, and they've got an XL Lux box, which is $34.99. Now, they do have shipping costs for each of the subscriptions. Last month, I did unbox their XL Extra Large Luxe box. I will link that video up here, and it was pretty good. You know, not bad. This month, I got the GlowAddict box, the $18.99 beauty box, and the $13.99 beauty bag to bring to you guys on my channel. So, I will link the beauty box up here and down in the description box if you want to check out that unboxing also. Now, this is, like I already showed you, the $13.99 beauty bag. Yeah, super affordable, right? And as far as I know, you're supposed to get a palette in every subscription they have, except the skincare box, obviously. In addition to that, the month of April, they seem to have a like CBD, hemp, sativa theme with a lot of their products, which I think is super cool. So I was excited to scoop these up and share them with you. So let's dive right in, and remember, this is the $13.99 beauty bag. All the information for GlowAddict will be down in my description box if you want to go check it out for yourself. The bag, the beauty bag obviously came in this cute little mailer. They did ship these together, so I appreciated that rather than whacking me with double shipping charges. Now, what do we get in the April 2021 bag? The first thing is by Derma E. It's a firming magnetic clay mask. So that looks more like a, you know, kind of a one-time use sort of thing. I'm okay with that. Definitely happy to try it. And then a brush set with a holder case, right? This is by Cala. It's a cosmetic brush collection with carry case. There's 7 brushes in here. And I mean, it looks super cute, right? This is going to go in my giveaway pile for one of you guys because I am got a bunch of brushes right now. Now, next, this little BB here. And this is actually really cute. And you can see right here, it says GlowAddict on it. So the company that did these actually, you know, customized it for GlowAddict. this is a brush cleaner. But look at, there's a sparkle in there. And it smells really good. It's like vanilla. But you just wet your brushes. You wet your brush and here we go. You just swirl it around in the brush cleaner. Yeah. Now, I haven't tried this one before. I have used other solid brush cleaners like this, and I do really like them. So that's super cute. Happy to get that. And then we've got a palette from Millennial Beauty, and it is Sativa. As you can see, the hemp leaves on here. And it says what she looks like. The outside packaging matches the box. And there is no mirror, but that's okay. Look at those colors. That is so pretty. And it says that the eyeshadow palette is infused with cannabis sativa seed extract. So that's really neat. I've got a good friend, Amanda. She loves stuff like this, so I am sending these goodies over to her. And if you have not seen or swung by her channel yet, I will link her channel right up here. Go check her out. She is the sweetest person in the world. And we are trying to get her to 1K subscribers. She's so sweet. She deserves it. So go shoot over there, show her some love, and let her know I sent you. So, okay, that's it for the GlowAddict $13.99 beauty bag. So let's recap. We got a sativa infused palette, right? We got the brush solid cleaner. We got the Derma E firming magnetic clay mask. And the brush set with the case. It's a $13. It's a bag for under 14 bucks, right? What a deal. I know. Let me know your thoughts. Is this something that you might get for yourself? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know. So yeah. As far as my love it or chuck it list, I think this is a love it. I think for under $14, it's a really good deal. You can't go wrong. Thank you as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so much. And if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button. It does really help my channel out, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Love you bunches. Thank you again, and I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.